The first place that I took my camera was to Central Park. And honestly, I felt like a kid in a candy store or a ninja. I don't know, but what I'm trying to say is I was carefree shooting. When I had this camera, no one felt nervous, and it was very, very easy to compose on my side and also on my subject side. I honestly tried this exact same thing last week at the park, but with my Sony, and I felt overly aware of the fact that I was taking pictures. I felt overly aware of people looking at my camera and trying to either get out the way to be polite or because they just genuinely didn't want to be taken a photo of. But it was just so different. After my trip to Central Park, I made sure to keep the camera on me every day. I mean, it is the everyday carry, but I made sure to keep the camera on me every day for smaller moments, for those high quality pictures that, you know, catch you off guard, or moments that catch you off guard. But the only time that it wasn't high quality was in low light moments. So when I was doing my research, I watched a review that said that if it's nighttime, just put the camera away. And I partially agree with this. If your subject is not well lit, but just in a darker setting, it's not going to come out very good. I think that the recovery of the shadows when it comes to keeping them a crisp dark and not having noise rise up as you try to edit is very, very difficult. But there's two things to that. You can put a flash on this because of the hot shoe. And then the second thing is, if you're buying the Ricoh, this should not be your first camera. This should not be your first option. This is made for a very specific time and setting that you're using this for. But I would say that the Ricoh is a superior everyday carry just because of its size genuinely, and then the quality that you get out of it, especially if you're staying on the photo side. If you try to do a video, it gets a little shaky. I like to shoot in 4K, so it makes it hard to balance mixing those two mediums together. But if you stay on the photo side, you'll have something for snapshots, for memories, and just quick things that come up. And you wouldn't be ashamed to say post these pictures or anything to that nature, because they genuinely are great photos. Of course, I had to part ways with the viewfinder, but if you ask me if my 1K purchase was worth it, I'd say yes. Definitely. I think that for me specifically, this is a spot that needs to be covered, an everyday carry that I don't want to take flash photos with, that can just be with me every single day, that's not in a bag or I need to run and go get it. It's literally on my person every single moment. But the thing is it worth it to you? Does it hit all your boxes? Do you need a flash? Do you need a viewfinder? Do you not mind that you could be using a micro 4/3? It's all up to you and your personal preference. While you're looking for these cameras for yourself, remember that it's specific to you. My camera could be horrible for your situation, but another camera that you use might be absolutely perfect, and I hate it. But it's all about specifically what you need, and each one of these cameras can 100% figure it out for you. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.